Good evening, folks. I am Joe Bachman, and this is Behind the Code. Right now, tonight, we are working on more of the cloud server, which is actually up and running. I do have um, the. Wow, my brain just went totally dead looking at myself on the other screen, also. Um, it is up and working and is able to be viewed via the VLC media player. What we're going to work on tonight is trying to do a couple of different things. The first is get this video to view on a web page, and then the second is to get the video, get it to where I can set up separate keys for separate shows, and so that those shows should only show up on their respective pages. So with that, we're going to close out VLC Media Player because that's just going to distract the unholy hell out of me. So we've already have a page kind of set up here. And right now I'm going through and trying to find a way to go through and add this in. So problem is everything keeps going back to talking about Flash. And Flash is no longer a supported media type. So, good evening, Carl. So let's look at go. Oh, wait, I don't want that ad. I'd like to see what I'm actually reading. Yeah. Yeah, last week I didn't have anything put together for the Burning is Love. Hopefully I'll have something together for Wednesday's show. If I'm not just dog tired, my construction project is starting this week. So depending on the hours that I end up putting in will probably depend on whether or not these shows go on a bit of a hiatus. Right now the contractor is talking 6 days a week, 10 to 12 hours a day. So yeah, these shows might become a little more sparse. But we also have Donna here tonight. And Flash, wow, how about we reopen GeoCities? Yeah. Apparently, RTMP servers and Flash work very well together. So, I'm trying to see if I can get this to work. I'm hoping I can. And we're going to throw this on. So, hey Dawn, how you doing tonight? And yeah, job and money come first. That is true. So let's get a little music playing in here too, because otherwise it's going to be a lot of just my heavy breathing, and well, no one wants to just listen to that. So tonight, because I keep forgetting to actually upload more of Dan's music into this StreamYard account, or not StreamYard account, but brand. We're going to be playing from his Never Bank on a Learning Curve album. And we're going to start with, I don't think I've played this one yet. I might have. It is track 9, How Deep the Universe, Infinite Beauty It Holds. Doing, that doesn't sound good. If you'd like to expand on that, you can. And let's see. So it says launch an HTML or text editor. Open the HTML web page in which you will embed the video. Type in the following code. Use the URL location of your video as a parameter for both Flash variable source values in order to display your content in both Internet Explorer and Mozilla type browsers. So let's see what happens here. Let's copy this. We're gonna do an embed. That's why a website. I want to, you know, let's just try a website first. RMTP, copy, paste, /live. See what that does for an embed. Okay, didn't think it could. Okay, that's all right. We can always take this out. There it is. Some HTML. There we go. So let's copy this. Throw that in there. For the source, we want to do RTMP : / and snag this IP again. Put that in /live. And oops. Copy that. Paste that. So the preview does. Preview's not going to show me anything there. Okay, so let's preview, actually do a preview in tab. See what this does here. Not a darn thing, because it's trying to show it up over here, but because Flash is no longer a thing. That's what I was afraid of. That's okay, though. So we can always ditch this. So now we're going to go back to the drawing board here a bit. See what CodeBlocks has here. Nothing. Yeah, actually, Flash is just dead in general now. I don't even think Adobe. I think Adobe officially even quit doing updates for it, which is sad. And Flash, Flash had its ups and downs. It had its pros and cons, but I mean, there was far worse things out there. Let's see. I want screencast. I want Scribd. Mixcloud, Kickstart. They have a Kickstarter thing? Huh. That's good to know for the future. No, it's not in bed. There's gotta be something out there. That will take this RTMP. You know what, just for kicks. RTMP : / What happens if I just feed that directly into a... Oh, it wants to open the VLC app. Okay. Well, that answers that question. No, it couldn't have been that easy. I'll die if it was actually that easy. Nope. Okay. I was gonna say, don't tell me I just overthought that whole damn thing. Oh, that would have been awesome. So we know that won't work, but oddly enough, that seemed to actually get us closer than everything else. So let's do this. Let's go to... I'm gonna save a draft. You know, that's what I'm actually getting ready to look at, Carl. I'm gonna head to the plugins section. And add a new plugin. We're going to search for RTMP and see if anything comes up. Aha! So is this one I used the other day and it screwed up? I think it is. I want to say this is the plugin I tried the other day and it kind of borked the whole site. Let's go indiecd.org. So I'll be able to tell once it's activated. Oh, this is the one I could never get to work. Oh no, and it screwed with the site. That's right. It threw everything into a single file for some reason. wants everything to go through Video Whisper. Yeah, I was doing some stuff offline the other day. And actually, no, it was during a live stream. Because the nice part is, like right now, everything is showing up in a straight line here. Now that I've deactivated that plugin, if I refresh this tab, everything should be back to normal. So yeah, there's something screwy with that plugin. But luckily, there are others. RTMP. Let's see what this one does. Activate. No, disable that for now. Let's add a new stream. Add RTMP. Ooh, okay. So I may not need the RTMP at the front there. Nope. So live stream. Ah, yes. I did see that he had to postpone his show till tomorrow night. I think he said, what was it, 9 p.m. Eastern? He'll be doing it tomorrow night, so let's, oh, so it embeds, okay. Well. What do the pro features have? Vimeo, YouTube, switching, nope. Okay, looks like we might strike on this one too. Okay, let's deactivate. And delete that out. Got a few other options here still. Dawn says, does anyone recall me talking about the orange kitty caught in a live trap and taking the Furball Farm Cat Sanctuary? I do not. I may not have been around for that conversation at the time. Carl says, does it really have to do everything that YouTube does? No, I mean, would I like it to be able to, for people to be able to comment and, leave comments and stuff? Yes. But right now, the only way it's actually able to be viewed is through the VLC player. Which would be really hard to get people to actually utilize. Yeah, not everybody has VLC, even though they should. It's actually a very good media player. VLC, I've been able to get some files to play that everything else is just flat out said no, it will not work. And I've managed to get VLC to actually play them. So if you don't have VLC player on your computer, highly recommend downloading it. Dawn says she gets spayed tomorrow and then she's up for adoption. They didn't know if she was going to survive when they brought her in. Sorry, in a mood tonight and trying to have happy thoughts. Well, no, everybody deserves happy thoughts for one. Two, very glad to hear she survived and that she'll be up for adoption. So I hope she gets adopted to a really good family. So we're going to take a short break here. I need to kind of get some of my tabs reset and basically make it so I don't crash my stream like I did the last time trying to do this. So let's take a short commercial break. We're going to play Jody McPhee's older ad and possibly one other one. So we will be right back.
Hi, I am Joe D. McPhee. I am the host of From the Desk of a Small Press Publisher, and I want to cordially invite you to watch our show Saturdays at 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. On our show, we will have different guests as well as talk about the comic book industry and pop culture. And every so often, I might actually do a drawing session or a 3D rendering session every here and there. So once again, I want to invite you to watch From the Desk of a Small Press Publisher right here on the broadcast channel that you're looking at, whether it be Facebook, YouTube, or Twitch. Hope to see you there, and make certain that you catch From the Desk of a Small Press Publisher at 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. Thanks.
All right, and we are back. I am also going to play Mike Jimmy's Life on Quora Pilot just because I just love this one. So enjoy. And you can find Mike Jimmy on indiecd.org along with many other great creators. Be sure to check him out. He does some amazing artwork. So we're going to move on to track number 11, Love is the Only Key, take 2. And Let's see. Let's see. What formats does RTMP stream in? So, for the way it seems, I might need to actually convert this somehow. Let's take a look at both of these. And apparently these guys have so apparently there's a let's see what they're see, I guess these guys used to have a free video player. I wonder if it'd be possible to find an older version of Flow Player. Looks like there's an older. Well, it's not really an older version, it's just. May not support the. Well, heck with it. We'll start with this one and see what happens. Has been updated in 3 years. So plugins, installed plugins. See what happens here. If this actually gets me in the right direction. Yeah, cats are like that sometimes. They'll know that you need them emotionally and they'll actually be there for you rather than just being the little devils that they like to be sometimes. And that is good news for Buddy's Eye also. Let's see if this flow player is in here. It's because it's not a block, that's right. Adds video short code. So I need a short code. Let's do there. Course equals this will be exciting if this works. Nope. Okay, so remove the short code. Fix that. Go back. Yes, leave. It's all good, Don. Every once in a while, we need to be a little more philosophical on here. I don't think philosophical was the right word. English is not my strong suit right now. I slept way too much yesterday. Let's see what this one does. English is hard. I do not like it. Check out settings for this. Okay, let's check out the documentation. Yep, know how to do that. Okay, so this is basically saying the same thing. It's going to be a short code. That is very true, Carl. The downside of Facebook memories is that it'll often bring up a photo that I posted in happier times, but now it's bittersweet. And Donna, we all know that English is nothing more than 3 languages all stacked up in a trench coat, beating up other languages in a dark alley, and then rummaging around in their pockets for loose grammar. And Carl says at times like that, I just hug Calvin until he swims away. Yep. Okay, this comment here, I need to quit trying to speed read stuff. I read that as Charcoal just brought me a second mouse to play with. I totally skipped over Toy. I thought Charcoal had found a live mouse and decided that you needed something to play with also. Really? Good job, Joe. Take that out. Copy. RTMP// live. Review a new tab. Oh. So this is progress. I'm at least showing a player. So, what's that part? No, lets me try to cast it to one of my TVs. Okay. So I think where I'm at with this, I need to figure out how I can convert it on the server from the RTMP format to a more usable format on the web. Man, this is great. I am barely using any server strength on this. This is awesome. So, Wouldn't affect me as much as the wife. So the wife would probably have to reread that one a couple times. But I think what we're going to do is we're going to open a terminal. As soon as I find terminal again, there we are. And I just need to remember how to really? Can I make that go away so I can see my favorites bar? Is that too much to ask? Aha. I have both kids in the bedroom with me. Usually by this time they're in the living room begging daddy for their pumpkin. Alright, so I need to remember how I actually connected to the server. It was SSH. Aha. Wrong password. Right password. Let's see if it'll let me. Can I do a screen share? Oh, I can. Alrighty. So, let's see. CD user. See what's in bin. Nothing. Of course not. Share. Nothing that's worthwhile. Okay. That's not what I'm looking for. So run directly. SS option may be used for a privileged shell. Okay. What was inside home? That's right. Really? Oh, what the hell am I? Oh, the root password is something totally different. There we go. Yeah, you are seeing a former Ubuntu. This is actually a terminal that is linked into a terminal screen that is linked into the cloud server. So I should be able to go CD root. Oh, what was that? Okay. Let's see. CD home. There. Now, the first night I was messing with this, it took me a minute to remember a couple of the commands. Just have... Oh. Alright, so what I want is to be able to convert. Let's close these. Convert RTMP to HLS. Nginx. We'll see when you get back, Carl. Just playback. Yes, and updates the playlist. New segments arrive. So I need to figure out Let's change up the music here for a second. I'm going to change to track 12, a somewhat lighter shade of fail, because right now this is just a small shade of fail, but we are getting closer. Linux. Oh, I just got a great text message. Just got a text message from Walmart's Vision Center. My order is ready for my new glasses. They're open until 8 p.m. today, and it is 7:52. Really? You jerks. The previous track was track number 11, Love is the Only Key, Take 2. And true, not fail, learning new tricks. So, I believe what I need to do Yeah. So, Dawn, are you just listening to these tracks when I'm on stream? Because if so, you can go to Bandcamp and it'll play the tracks, I believe, in their entirety. Actually, on Bandcamp.com without having to purchase them. And then you can either buy, track here or track there, or you can just buy the whole album, which I think Dan has, at least the ones I've bought have all been under $8 for the price he's actually asking. So I would say head over to Dan's Indie CD page, click on one of the albums, and play the tracks through Bandcamp. That way he can listen to them and figure out which ones he likes. Alright, let's try something here. We're going to try following this thing. of. See what happens here. Yeah, I'm sure Dan wouldn't mind as long as he gets credited. And really, I really should credit him the proper way, and actually put it in my descriptions when I need to actually start putting it in the descriptions when I'm playing, saying music by Dan Hollifield. That way he gets the actual proper credit and exposure, rather than me playing radio DJ and, announcing which tracks, which I'd still do that anyway, but... Okay, so that all seemed to work. Let's see, git clone, yes, /github.com/rut rtmp-module.git. Git source and Nginx. That's not good. Oh, helps if I could spell. Good lord. Reading package list done. You must put some dub source URIs in your sources.list. Yeah, I'll get around to that. cd nginx-1.18.0. Oh, good lord, now I might have to find it. ls. Oh, where the hell would it that installed to? Another cd serve. What's this? Oh. Alright, let's go back in the system. Module. Ooh, module maybe? Joey Be Good and Dr. Joey Fever. On WBTC, Behind the Code. Just doesn't flow like Nick's WNTF, never mind the furthermore. Uh-oh. I got Nick in my files here. We have a cryptid. Even though it's misspelled, it's close enough. Yeah. Yeah. So, I don't do that very often on my Windows or my Mac. Actually, my Mac, it's more of a, where the hell did I save that to instead of install? But being that it has been literally a decade or better since I have really played in just straight terminal and not have an actual GUI system to use for this. It's a little it's a little what in the flippin' dippy? Yeah, okay, I'm getting out of the system. I'm gonna get myself in trouble in there. Let's see, CD user, anything in there? Yeah, was there before. Okay. Var? We got in var. Snap temp. Yeah, finding a file via command lines. Yeah, and I worked on this configuration file before. When I first got all this set up. Yep, I'm at the top. And I will be darned if I can remember where that was at. And the original file was not in the folder I'm about to go into, but that is a new folder. Hello. So that is... Okay. Going... Oh, no. Boogies. Good old Google. How to exit Psi. That's right. Oh. Yeah. Done that a time or 20. You think you drag and drop to the correct one, and then you go back, you're like, what? Where to go? There's something I write here. Where to go? Let's get out of this. I think it's the lib32 folder. Nope. Lib folder? One of these damn folders, there it is. NGINX. NGINX. Modules. Didn't have it now. Of course not. Where the hell did I find this before, guys? Oh, we might be onto something. Oh, there it is. All right, so Vim and ginx.conf. How do I edit? How to edit in Vim? Aha. And add more location. And just call it BTC for behind the code. Yep, boogies. Yeah, I'm trying to keep it PG, which is extremely hard to do when dealing with code. So, RTMP. This log r log log server listen 1935 location live on, record off. Keep forgetting I cannot click to get to the line I want. Alright, so HLS on. HLS underscore path. Serve www. HLS fragment. 6 seconds. Keys on. Key path. slash slash HLS fragments key 10. Lighting color. Set HLS to on. The next two parameters determine the location. Encryption. And all right, let's go back up here to the HTTP section. Guess I thought there was one. Yep. There she be. Okay. Let's see what happens here. Include types. Default type. Application. / octet stream. Access _ log. R log. Linux. Access.log. App. Sent HTTP content type expires. Let's try that again. Sent HTTP content type expires. Default D. Wait, 1D. Application /vnd.apple.mtegurl. Fuck. So I can probably get rid of that access log there then. be able to take those two things out. So we're going to move this. To just below here. App. HTTP. Content type. Players. Default. One day. application/vnd.apple.eeg URL puck. Set off. We got server listen 80. Our locations. Expires. Okay. All right, while I read over this next part, we're going to take one more little commercial break. We're going to play Amy Hale here.
Hi, this is Kat. During the school year, I'm Mrs. Rothermel, but otherwise, I'm Rock and Roll Art Goddess, writing about my past and filming the present. I need you to join my Rock and Roll Art army and to check out my merch on Zazzle.com. What started out as journal therapy is now 4 books, I see, and an Instagram account to blow off steam, becoming a book, with another to do the same. A short film for a friend. No, this is not the end. Peace, love, and let me art.
Okay, and we are back. Yeah, I'm hoping this works also. I'm about to save the file, which is going to do one of two things. Either my stream will stay going, which actually I'm going to pull that back up in VLC Player here. Just to see if it decides to bonk out on me. Go back to the cloud panel here. It should be /live. Open. Okay. Seems to be working. So, and howdy, Keisha. How are you this evening? And yes, I did cheat and go look on the Facebook page to see who had commented. So let's bring this back up. And we are going to write file to disk and quit editor. So escape. There we go. UQ. Wrote the file. My live stream. My head moving? Oh, yeah. Okay. Live stream is still up. We might be onto something here. So, see if in there. Nope. I may have to restart the server. I may have to restart the whole stream, actually. Yeah, heck with it. Let's see what happens. We type in sudo ngn. Oh. Duplicate extension. That's okay, though. We're inside etc. That vim, and XSC on that. Okay, so it's saying that I have. Let's see here. You know what, let's just... Just comment these lines out for a minute. And WQ. I did something in my live stream on there. Vim, not Vim, sudo nginx. What? Server directive is not allowed here, etc. What do you mean it's not allowed? Line 66? Alright, let's find line 66. Doot, 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 doot. Ah! Ooh, bunch of failures. That's always fun. Okay, so duplicate extension HTML, content type, text HTML, previous content type, text HTML on line 83. So let's go down to line 83. That's so sassafras. Just wait a second. Nope, okay, that's not it either. Huh. Well, StreamYard isn't throwing a fit yet, which is a positive. See if I can even access my live stream still. Yeah, I can. Okay. How's my cloud panel looking here? Not that it wasn't type enough, it's too silky, so she keeps slipping out. And Carl says, "This is how I learned most coding things. Let's see what happens when we oh crap. Yep, that is the story of my life. Now on the plus side, I've still only maxed out the RAM at 57% usage, so that's a good thing. This is still running, so it's not actually. Well, we are an hour and a half in. I think this might be a good stopping point. We've made some progress. We have some things installed. So we've definitely made some progress here. Boy, how did Nick do that earlier where it didn't look like he was just humping the camera? Good lord. Yeah, it's none of those. Oh no, bad. Exit. Brought myself up to full screen. Good lord. So we're making progress. We know we can watch a live stream through VLC Player. We've got some other stuff installed. Now it's just a matter of actually getting this last little bit figured out. And man, if there is not just a whole slew of stuff dating back to as far back as 2015 on some of this, just trying to decipher what's still actually legitimate and what's outdated. And I really got to start drinking Code Red during my live streams. One of these days I'll not have a green bottle. But yes, progress is great, and programming is slow progress. But we're getting there. Before I end the stream tonight, social.ndcd.org is live. So that is up and going and ready. Still working some bugs out of the sign up process. It hasn't been sending out the emails to confirm the account. But I still get a notification that a new account has been requested. So I'm just going to kind of keep an eye on it and, approve accounts as they come in and, kind of see where that goes and see what we can grow from there. So, yeah, other than that, folks, I think we're going to sign off for now, and I will hopefully see you guys back here Wednesday night for The Burning is Love. Like I said, construction season is ramping up, so I will hopefully be able to keep these shows going. Otherwise, if I'm doing 12-hour days, I won't be getting off until 7 p.m. And even if I do a 10-hour day, that puts me at 5 p.m. By the time I get home, it's going to be almost 6. Still have to eat dinner, all that fun stuff. So these shows may be going on hiatus, but that doesn't mean the work I will be doing for NDCD will be going on hiatus. So still planning on doing all the work, and we will see you guys hopefully Wednesday evening. Have a great one, folks.